Hey BB Melon gang, welcome back with another one. Today we're going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial. I want to first say thank you to everyone for the 100 views on our first video, and thank you for subscribing. So for this eyeshadow look, you're going to need multiple blending brush. The first brush we're going to be using is a concealer brush to blend out our concealer. Anytime when dealing with a eyeshadow look, you do need multiple blending brush to achieve a flawless look. So we're now going to go in with our Nars concealer to conceal our eyes. Notice in the video I am using a lighter shade on my eyes. Don't mind me dancing, I was enjoying the music, but you do need a lighter shade in order to have a vibrant color on your eyes. After putting in our concealer, we're then going to use a damp cloth to wipe off any mistakes that we have done. We're now going in with the Sacha Buttercup powder to put on our concealer. I'm now going in with the Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. I never really tried out this sponge before, but I'm going to try it out now. I was so excited to see how the sponge was applying onto my eyes. Now I'm using another brush to buff out the powder that I just put on my eyes. I felt like it was a lot of powder on my eyes, so I did have to brush it off to have a seamless look. Now this palette right here, the Fade Into Hue Colourpop palette, when I tell you these shades poppin', these shades are poppin'. Then went in with my Those Colors blending brush. I love this brush right here. So when doing your eyeshadow, it's a patting motion. You don't just slap it on there. You have to like really pat it down to get the color that you want to do. I also want to note that I am like patting it down and blending. That's the whole technique of when putting on your eyeshadow. It's a pat and blend type of technique. See this color right here? What? It's popping. Like, look at that. Oh my god. For the next shade, we're using a different blending brush. This one has a little of a more fluff. We want it to be more of a gradual look. We're not doing a cut crease. We're just packing on the eyeshadow to give it different shades of purple. Y'all, I just want to note that I am not a professional, so if you guys do not like this video, please do not comment anything harsh. I am still a beginner, just like you guys. Let's learn together. Y'all, when is your first time of learning eyeshadow? I remember my first time was in high school and I was trying to be cute or whatever. That was not working. Please comment down any stories of the first time of when you guys started doing makeup. I would love to hear you guys' stories and laugh together. I really be making some crazy face expressions doing my makeup. We're now going into the Violet palette from Juvia'splace. We're going to be starting off with a light purple in our center to give it that pop. Nah, look at these colors, like they just popping or whatever. such a difficult time trying to put on the eyeshadow on that eye. Like, this is my first time having eyelash extensions. Like, I don't know how other people do it. It is so hard to angle yourself to see your eye. I don't know if it's just me. If y'all was wondering who I was talking to, I was not talking to myself. I was talking to one of my homegirls. You know, you had to pick up the phone for your homegirls so they don't be blacking on you. Talking about with the whole pack and blend. You see, you have to pat and blend to get the desired look you want. I felt like that eye was better than the other eye. I don't know if it's just me. After doing both eyes, we're then trying to find our glitter. I was trying to figure out which glitter I wanted to do, so I chose the top one because the top one looked better. We're now going in with the MAC primer to spray on our blending brush to get that glitter to pop more. You don't want it to just pat it on there. I feel like putting a primer is way better. Go back in to blend it more and pat it down because I noticed some parts where, you know, you couldn't see as much, but I was feeling myself. So now we're just gonna do the same thing that we did on our eyes on the bottom. Finished look. I wish I blended out a little bit more. I really could not see with the eyelash extensions on, so next time when I do eye look, I will do it without it. So if you like this makeup look, please like, comment, and subscribe if you want me to do like eyebrow or anything else. This is the end result of the eyeshadow tutorial of how to do your eyeshadow. If you like this look, please like, comment, and subscribe, and welcome back to Baby Melanin Gang, and see you next time.